Antarctica has long been a realm shrouded in mystery and largely untouched by human presence. From the enigmatic blood waterfalls to bizarre animals, underground lakes, and hidden cities beneath the ice, numerous myths and enigmas about this continent remain unresolved. Antarctica stands as the only continent where no one resides, with temperatures plummeting to 90 degrees Celsius. Furthermore, snowstorms can rage at speeds reaching 300 kilometers per hour, making it the driest continent on Earth, so much so that it's categorized as a desert, receiving only 51 millimeters of precipitation annually. Despite these harsh conditions, various countries have sought to claim control over Antarctica for over a century. This map illustrates the claims. France asserts rights over one section, Norway over another, while Australia claims the entire right side. Countries such as Britain, Chile, Argentina, and New Zealand also lay claim to parts of this icy expanse. But what drives this interest? What secrets lie beneath the layers of ice that entice the world's superpowers? Today, we delve into some of Antarctica's mysteries and explore who truly discovered it. We will also examine the hidden secrets beneath the ice that may be known to these superpowers, fueling their desire for control. The identity of the discoverer of Antarctica varies depending on whom you ask. The British maintain that they were the first, while the Russians claim their initial exploration. Interestingly, Aristotle, the Greek philosopher, mentioned Antarctica thousands of years ago, suggesting the Earth is round and that the North and South poles are mirrored. In 2021, a study from the Royal Society of New Zealand indicated that the Maori people from the Polynesian Islands near Australia might have reached Antarctica in the 7th century, referencing the snowy continent in their ancient tales. In recorded history, British officer James Cook was the first European to cross the Antarctic Circle, coming close to the continent but turning back 130 kilometers away due to dangerous sea conditions. Cook remarked on the peril of reaching this southern land, suggesting it was unlikely any human would succeed. After Cook, many attempted to explore Antarctica, but success eluded them. By the 19th century, nations began competing for economic dominance, driven by the discovery of resources and new trade routes. In 1819, the Russian Empire tasked explorer Fabian von Bellingshausen with a mission to circumnavigate the globe and discover new lands. In 1820, he reached the Southern Ocean and glimpsed Antarctica, although he did not set foot on it. He is often credited as the first person in modern history to observe the continent. Between 1900 and 1920, numerous explorers turned their attention to Antarctica. British explorer Robert Falcon Scott landed there in 1911, traveling nearly 400 miles before having to turn back due to inclement weather and starvation. Tragically, Scott and his team succumbed to the elements during their return journey. Following World War I, several nations dispatched teams to Antarctica, seeking to assert claims. In 1939, under Hitler's orders, the German Air Force dropped Nazi flags in the region to depict it as under Nazi control. Post-World War II, many countries established research stations, leading to a resurgence of mysterious discoveries. One notable finding is that Antarctica was once a land of dense forests, not ice. Scientists from Imperial College London discovered fossilized wood indicating that around 90 million years ago, the continent boasted a warm climate and thick vegetation. Additionally, they uncovered fossils of insects typically found in warmer regions. Another significant mystery reveals that beneath 3 kilometers of ice lie 400 lakes, each with unique ecosystems. These lakes host marine life found nowhere else, including large spiders and jellyfish, creating a hidden world beneath the ice. A further intrigue lies in the blood falls of McMurdo Valley, which appear to flow with blood. Recent studies indicate the reddish hue results from highly salty water from a lake now covered by ice. This water, isolated from the atmosphere, is rich in iron, which oxidizes upon exposure to sunlight, producing the striking color. Lastly, a conspiracy theory suggests an ancient civilization may exist beneath the ice, with some claiming sightings of alien spacecraft in the area. In 2016, unusual activities were recorded on Google Earth, leading to speculation about secret operations conducted by the US and other nations. Currently, while the world grapples with various geopolitical issues, the US, China, and the former Soviet Union are aggressively sending expeditions to Antarctica. Notably, China has established multiple research stations there. According to the Antarctic Treaty of 1969, any country can conduct scientific investigations in Antarctica, provided they share their findings. In 1992, a survey by the U.S. Geological Department revealed vast reserves of natural gas and oil beneath Antarctica. However, the current focus is not solely on these resources. Recent discoveries have uncovered significant quantities of rare earth minerals like osmium and praseodymium. These minerals are crucial for modern electronic devices, and as the world shifts its focus from oil to sustainable energy resources, the demand for these materials is escalating. The Southern Ocean, one of the world's most treacherous seas, also plays a critical role in regulating the planet's climate and water supply, absorbing a substantial portion of global carbon emissions. As climate change accelerates, the importance of the Southern Ocean grows, with melting ice revealing treasures once hidden and potentially leading to new trade routes. Research in Antarctica continues, and it remains to be seen what other mysteries might surface.